Given the pressure that human beings exercise on the environment, the development of societies has gone hand in hand with a growing concern for the care of the environment in which we live. In accordance with the initiatives being developed at the level of international institutions, the European Council in 2006 asked its member states to consider ways of expanding national accounts by creating environmental accounts while remaining consistent with the central system. The result of this work is EU Regulation 691/2011 of the European Parliament and of the Council on European Environmental Economic Accounts. European environmental accounts are organized through a set of satellite accounts that make it possible to extend the analytical capacity of national accounts in a sustainable manner without overloading the central system. It follows the methodology of the United Nations System of Environmental and Economic Accounting, Central Framework. The European regulation is structured in modules, accounts, that have been progressively incorporated. To summarize, the environmental accounts or modules included in the regulation are as follows: air emissions accounts, economy-wide material flow accounts, environmental tax accounts by economic activity and households as final consumers, physical energy flow accounts, environmental protection expenditure accounts, environmental goods and services sector accounts. The National Statistics Institute, together with other ministries, has made a great effort in recent years to implement a system of environmental statistics to serve as a basis for the compilation of environmental accounts. For this reason, they use the information available both from the Spanish national accounts and from the rest of the existing surveys or administrative registers, and adapt them to the specific criteria of the environmental accounts. The idea is not to overload either the national accounting system or the informants with new specific surveys. At present, each year, the 6 accounts required by the regulation are compiled and disseminated, together with the waste account for the total economy. Based on the information provided by these accounts and the national accounts, it is possible to calculate significant indicators useful for decision-making on the circular economy and resource efficiency. These indicators make it possible to follow up strategic issues at EU level. In this regard, we can affirm that environmental accounts have become a useful tool for providing relevant information for decision-making on issues related to climate change, air pollution, energy, transport, taxation, and employment. But despite what has been achieved, there are huge challenges for the near future. To be precise, under the European Commission's European Green Deal 2020, the EU aims to raise its level of climate ambition in order to achieve climate neutrality by 2050, among other objectives. The National Statistics Institute will continue to work hard in the coming years to face future challenges and to position Spain as one of the countries with the best environmental account systems in the European Union and the world.